Hello everyone, this video is talking about word problems. So they say that Mia had 2064 more beads than Jenny after Mia used 144 beads to make a necklace. She had 5 times as many beads as Jenny. So A, how many more beads did Mia have than Jenny in the end? B, how many beads did Mia have at first? So here, the first question is about to know the amount of beads that Mia have more than Jenny in the end. So here you know that first Mia had first like the solution. Yeah, solution and A, how many more beads? More beard did Mia have at first? Did Mia have than Jenny in the end? So the thing is, Mia had first like Maya or Maya maybe Maya has 2064 beat more than Jenny, right? Beat more than Jenny. So after C or he used like 144 to make a necklace. So after that, she had 5 times. Like that mean she had 5 times as many beads as Jenny, like this. She had 5 times as many beads as Jenny. So first, the thing is to know about the beads that Mia had more after just 144 beads to make a necklace. So here, first you had this and after. So that means after Maya used 144. So 44. So she has 2064 minus 144. That is equal to 1920 beer more than Jenny. That's it. Get it? Yes. So it's about it. They just talk about more than the amount that Mia had beer more than Jenny. So we don't talk about the amount of Mia have in the question A. So about B, they ask you about how many beads that Maya have at first. So how many beads did Maya have at first? So we don't know the total amount. We don't know any amount related to Maya and Jenny, but we just know that Maya had 5 times. So so they say that like after, that means after use 144. So Mia remain that has 920 beads more than Jenny. So that like more than Jenny, yeah. And in addition, like they say that after use 144, Maya had 5 times as many beads as Jenny. So that means Maia bead, yeah, bead that is equal to 5 times Jenny bits. Get it? Jenny bits. Or we could write like a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is 1 unit. So that means they say that Maya had 5 times as Jenny. So that means if the unit, like if we consider like the thing that Maya have at 5 unit, oh sorry, yes, at 5 unit, so we got Jenny as 1 unit. Jenny. Maybe you still not understand about this. So that means they say that what? That means Maya bits equal to 5 times Jenny bits. 5 times Jenny bit. So if Maya had 5, so that means Jenny has 1. So if you separate or you divide the Maya bits into 5 units or 5 pieces, so that means Jenny have only 1 pieces of 5. That's why I separate Maya into 5 units and Jenny has only 1. So then they say that after Maya used 144 bits, so she has 1920 more bits than Jenny. So that means we could say that 4 units here equal to 1920 bits. Again, after just 144, Maya has 1920 more bits. Then Jenny. Get it? Then Jenny. And they say that Maya had 5 times as many bits as Jenny. So that means if Maya had 5 units, Jenny has only 1. So then we can say Maya has 4 units than Jenny. So that means that 4 unit equal to 1920. You have been told that Maya equal to 5 times Jenny, right? 5 times Jenny. Get it? So you could see that 5 unit and this 1. So then you could see 1 and 1. So that means Jenny might should have more 4 unit to complete in order to make her bits to be equal as Maya. So that means that 4 unit that Jenny has to add it to her bits. So that means that 4 unit, we can consider that 4 unit is the unit that Maya has more than Jenny. Got it? So then we could consider that 4 unit equal to 1920. So that means 4 unit, you could see 4 unit equal to 1920. So all 4 units equal to 1920 if you want to find the value of each unit. Each unit you have to divide it by 4 because that means 4 unit equal to 1920. So that means 4 unit equal to this. That means like this: 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means 1 unit plus 1 unit plus 1 unit plus 1 unit 4 times. And then if you have to find 1, you have to divide into 4 pieces equally. So when you divide into 4 pieces equally, so that means each pieces of those 4 pieces is equal to each other. Got it? So that means you still not get it. Like this, I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just want to share now like this into 4 equally. So that means in order to know the value that each unit get and that is equal to each other, so you have to divide it 1920 by 4 because when you, as I told you in the previous videos, when you divide it by 4 here, so that means you divide this into 4 pieces equally. So that means each pieces of 4 pieces get pieces from 1920 equally. That's it. So when 1 unit equal to this 4. So that means 4, 8 and 0. So then you could see 1 unit equal to 480. 480. So that means you could see Maya has 5 units. In total have 5 units and Jenny has only 1. But the question is, the question they ask you, the question B, how many bits that Maya had at first. So that means 5 unit here is the unit that we get, that Maya have after she used 144 bits. So that means in order to find the bits that Maya had at first, you have to times this, like Maya bit at first, yes, Maya bit at first, it is equal to 5 times 480 because she has 5 units in the end after use. Yes, after use. So we should plus 144 because at first she didn't use any bit. So that means 144 bits she still have. But after she used 144, she remained only 5 units here. That is why you time with 5 and then you plus it, because this is the amount of bits that Maya have at the end, and this is the amount of bits that she has at first. With plus, because the amount that have at the end we get from just 144. So that means the word just mean minus. Get it? Again. At first, like that, sorry. In the end, yes. In the end, that means the bit that she has in the end equal to first minus 144. That means what minus here, that means she used 144. But if you want to find first, you have to plus 144 to the end. That's it. So that will be 0, 0, this. Sorry, that's my fault. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. So it's 0, keep 4, 5, 24 plus this. So that will be 44 bits. So Maya or Mia had 2,544 bits at first. Thank you for